In this video, we'll show you how to use transmitter registration on Axient Digital receivers. This new feature gives you control to allow or block the audio from Axient Digital transmitters to your system. Axient Digital receivers will always treat non-Axient Digital transmitters as interference. However, you can also control how the receiver reacts to unregistered Axient Digital transmitters. Allow passes the audio. Warn passes the audio and triggers an alert. Block prevents audio from passing and triggers an alert. Let's walk through transmitter registration using 3 handhelds. We'll register 2 and we'll leave 1 as unregistered. Select a channel and navigate to the transmitter menu. Select a slot and sync the first transmitter. Move to the next slot and sync the other. Always be sure to select a new slot for each transmitter so you don't overwrite your previous assignments. Up to 8 can be registered to each Axient Digital receiver channel. Slot assignments remain between power cycles unless you select Unlink. Next, we'll choose a receiver action. Navigate to the Advanced menu and select Interference Management. In this example, we don't want any audio passed, so we'll choose Block. When we turn on our registered transmitter, the audio passes freely. Now, let's see what happens when we turn on our unregistered transmitter tuned to the same frequency as the receiver. The receiver blocks the audio from the unregistered transmitter and we receive an alert. In this case, transmitter registration protects you from letting audio into the system if someone accidentally turns on another Axient Digital transmitter tuned to your frequency. For additional training and setup information, visit Shure.com.